Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of Class UKG and the topics are quotation, prayer, song, question and answer. So one by one I would like to teach you these all the things. So the first is quotation. 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 You can see, dear children, this is the quotation. O, S-O-N son, O-F of, M-A-N man, I, K-N-O-W no, M-Y my, L-O-V love, F-O-R for, T-H-E-E-D, H-E-N-C-E hence, I, C-R-E-A-T created, T-H-E-E-D. O son of man, I know my love for thee, hence I created thee. So children, now I would like to teach you that what this quotation is telling. According to this quotation, the God tells us that He loves all of us. He helps us in need. He shows His faith on us and wants everything good for us. So He created all of us on the earth so that we can live together peacefully. Now, the next quotation is B-E-B-T-H-E-D E-S-S-E-N-C essence O-F of C-L-E-A-N-L-I-N-E-S-S cleanliness A-M-O-N-G among M-A-N-K-I-N-D mankind. Be the essence of cleanliness among mankind. So children, again I am going to repeat this quotation. Be the essence of cleanliness among mankind. According to this quotation, the cleanliness is a quality not only for the body but also for the mind and soul. Body and our clothes regularly we wash. And it also means to have our house, classroom, city clean. When we organize our toys, things, and we throw the trash in the bin. So cleanliness, to have a clean mind, means to keep our thought free from envy and concentrate on things that are good for us and make us grow strong and loving. Now, the next is prayer. First of all, I would like to dissolve the prayer, all the words with the correct pronunciation. O, G-O-D, God, M-Y, my, G-O-D, God, A-T-T-I-R-E, attire, M-I-N-E, mine, H-E-A-D, head, W-I-T-H, with, T-H-E, the, C-R-O-W, cron, O-F, of, J-U-S-T-I-C, justice, A-N-D, and, M-Y, my, T-M-P-L-E, temple, W-I-T-H, with, T-H-E, the, O-R-N-A-M-E-N-T, ornament, O-F, of, E-Q-U-I-T-Y, equity, T-H-O-U, the, V-E-R-I-L-Y, verily, A-R-T, art, T-H-E, the, P-O-S-S-E-S-S-O-R, possessor, O-F, of, A-L-L, all, G-I-F-T, gifts, A-N-D, and, B-O-U-N-T-I-E-S, bounties. O God, my God, attire my head with the crown of justice and my temple with the ornament of equity. Thou verily art the possessor of all gifts and bounties. According to this prayer, God loves justice. He is pleased with us when He sees us treating other people with fairness and justice. One aspect of justice is to look and understand using our own eyes and knowledge without blindly trusting others. This will enable us to respect the right of other human beings and make sure that we don't take away things that are not ours. We should desire for others only that which are desired for ourselves. So you will learn at home this prayer very nicely. Now the next is song. The song I L-O-V-E love, Y-O-U-A-N-D and Y-O-U-L-O-V-E love M-A-Me. Now the next is T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R together, W-E-V, W-I-L-L will, B-E-B. Now the next is Y-O-U-A-N-D and M-E-Me, W-I-L-L will, B-E-B-T-H-E the, B-E-S-T best, O-F of, F-R-I-E-N-D-S friends. Now the next is H-A-N-D hand, I-N in, H-A-N-D hand, W-E-V, W-A-L-K walk, A-L-O-N-G along, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R together. Now this is Y-O-U-A-N-D and M-E-Me, W-I-L-L will, B-E-B-T-H-E the, B-E-S-T best, O-F of, F-R-I-E-N-D-S friends. So the children, this is a very beautiful song. I love you and you love me. Together we will be. You and me will be the best of friends. Hand in hand we walk along together. You and me will be the best of friends. So this song now I would like to teach you with the action and the rhythm. And the same way you will also practice at home. I love you and you love me. Together we will be. You and me will be the best of friends. Hand in hand we walk along together. You and me will be the best of friends. So children, this song teaches us that always love each other and spread love all over the world so that people live in unity, in peace and harmony. When we live in unity, then during any trouble, everyone together we support each other and face the situation together. This will help us and gives us a strength to fight and overcome from problems and troubles. So, like this, you will learn this song at home nicely. Now, the next is question and answer. So, the first is W-H-A-T what, S-H-O-U-L-D should, G-O-O-D good, F-R-I-E-N-D friends, A-L-W-A-Y-S always, D-O do. What should good friends always do? Now the answer is A-L-W-A-Y-S always, F-O-R-G-I-V forgive, E-A-C-H each, O-T-H-E-R apostrophe S others, M-I-S-T-A-K-E-S mistakes. What should good friends always do? Always forgive each other mistakes. So children, once again, what should good friends always do? Always forgive each other mistakes. So children, we all have friends in our lives and they always help us when we are in need. So they help us when we face any difficulties. But if our friends, they do any mistake, so we should not punish them. We should forgive them. So what should good friends always do? Always forgive each other mistakes. Now the next is W-H-A-T what, D-O-E-S does, G-O-D God, E-X-P-E-C-T expect, F-R-O-M from, U-S us. What does God expect from us? Now the answer is T-O-2-L-O-V-E love, H-I-M him, A-N-D and S-E-R-V, serve, H-I-M, him. To love him and serve him. What does God expect from us? To love him and serve him. God loves all of us and helps us during the time of trouble and protect us whenever we are in need. So, for all of these, we always love God for all the things, whatever the God has given to us, and also serve Him. We can serve God by praying and helping others. So, what does God expect from us? To love Him and serve Him. Now, the next is WHYYDID, did, God, God, MAK, make, EVERYONE, everyone, DIFFERENT, different. Why did God make everyone different? You can see the answer is BECAUSE, because DIFFERENC, difference, ADDS, adds to, TO2, BEAUTY, beauty. Why did God make everyone different? Because difference adds to beauty. Why did God make everyone different? Because difference adds to beauty. So God has made everyone all of us. We are different in color, body shape, height, face, etc. Do you know why? Because difference adds beauty to nature. We all have seen garden. You can see the all kind of flowers or trees, plants of only one size. No, but yet it looks very beautiful. Similarly, we all are different in different ways, and this difference only adds beauty to our nature. So children, you will study at home. These are all the quotations, prayer, song, question and answer. Thank you. Now, children, I would like to teach you in moral science book. Take out everyone moral science book, page number 1. So, children, you will decorate the cars and the engine above. Very nicely, you will color and you will color with the wax color and you will decorate it. So, you will complete this page number 1 in moral science at home. Thank you.